Hello everyone, I'm Shrimai. Welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you this very traditional Indian party makeup look which you can wear for any kind of Indian function, being an Indian wedding guest or even to your own function like haldi ceremony or mehendi ceremony, or if you are going to attend any Indian party or marriage function. Also you can wear this makeup look for your beautiful sari as well as any Indian outfit, but you have to make sure you can twist your ornaments or jewelry according to that. So without being said, let's get started to this makeup tutorial and see how to achieve this makeup look. So before starting, if you are watching me for the first time and if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as follow me on my Instagram account. Here is the handle. Also, if you are more of a natural kind of makeup girl, then after watching this video you can watch my previous video which is more of a very simple summer makeup look. So let's get started to this video. So first of all, I'm priming my face using this smashbox photo finishing primer. Primer makes your skin look more flawless as well as it will give a very nice base so that the foundation will glide on very smoothly and it will make your foundation last more long as well. So for foundation, I'm using this Estée Lauder double wear foundation, but before that I'm using illuminating primer as well. It's also a highlighter. This is from Gerard Cosmetics. I'll write down all the products name as well as the link in the description box below. So if you have any doubt, then please click onto the description box to see all the details. So right now I'm applying the foundation. So first I dotted all over my face and with the help of a kabuki brush I'm blending it out. If you want, you can definitely go ahead with a damp sponge, but brush definitely gives more coverage than a sponge. I'm also applying it on my neck so that my face and neck will look the same. Later on I have little bit of dark circles, that's why I'll be using two color corrector. One is orange color corrector and another one is the yellow one. Both are from LA Girl Cosmetics. Nowadays I think LA Girl is also very widely available in India. You can get it from Nykaa.com and these are very beautiful concealer, and very affordable as well. So if you have dark under eye circle, then I would suggest to mix both orange and yellow color corrector and apply it underneath your eye, then first blend and then go ahead with your regular concealer. So as this is a party makeup look, I am also contouring my face. For that I am using a dark color concealer again from LA Girl Cosmetics and applying it on the perimeter of my face. As you can see on the side, on the jawline area, on the hairline area, I applied the dark color concealer and the light color concealer on the center of my face, being that on the under eye area as well as little bit on the forehead area, bridge of my nose and chin area. Then I'm using two different brush to blend all this out. First I blended the darker color and then I'm blending out the lighter color. Later on you can definitely go ahead with a damp sponge to blend everything out so that it will not look very harsh. Make sure if you are a beginner, then I would suggest to skip the contouring part because cream contour is definitely a little bit tricky. Then I'm applying a yellow color corrector or a yellow powder on the underneath my eyes, and then using a regular loose powder I'm setting all the cream products. As this is the summer makeup look or this is the summer season, make sure to set your makeup using any powder, being with that a loose powder or a compact powder, but make sure to set all the cream products. Later on, with the help of a bronzing powder, I'm using this bronzing powder from this palette called Kat Von D palette. So I'm taking this bronzer and applying it on wherever I applied my contouring shade. Bronzing makes your skin or face look more slimmer, as well as it will give a very natural shadow to your face, so it looks very beautiful. Now bronzing is done. Now I'm applying a little bit of cream eyebrows, so you can definitely go ahead with the eyebrow pencil, but do not forget this part, guys. Defining your eyebrows makes a very huge difference. If you have very beautiful eyebrows also, I would highly suggest to fill it up a very little, especially if you're going for any party makeup look. If it is a regular normal day-to-day makeup look, then definitely it's fine. Later on, I'm setting up with the eyebrow gel. This one is from Maybelline. And now I'm taking a flat brush, and I'm taking a little bit of the concealer to clean out the under the eyebrow part. You can see how I'm cleaning it up. This process makes your eyebrow look very clean and very defined and bold. But if you are a beginner, then I would suggest to go for a eyebrow pencil instead of a cream eyebrow products. Also later on, I'm using the same concealer to prime my eyelid area. As the face part is almost done, we are left with blush and highlighter. So now I'll be moving to my eyes. For that, again, I'm using the same concealer to use as my primer. If you have any eyeshadow primer, you can definitely go for that, but applying concealer will definitely color correct all the dark color which you have on your eyelid area. Like you can see right over here, the difference between two of my eyes. Now I'm taking this palette from Morphe, and this is more of a light peach color, and I'm using this as my transition color with a fluffy blending brush. I'm not using any more very too many brushes. I'm using only one or two brushes to achieve this eye look. Then I went ahead with a darker color orange color eyeshadow. You can take any light peach color eyeshadow and then followed by a darker color orange color eyeshadow. Then I went ahead with a brown color eyeshadow to deposit the color on the outer V of my eyes, and then proceeding towards the inner corner. So make sure first go with a lighter color, then a darker color, and then more of a little more darker color on the outer corner. So as you can see, I'm applying it only in the windshield wiper motion, back and forth. Then I'm going for a very golden color eyeshadow. This is from the Juvia's palette, and applying it all over my eyelid. You can take any golden color eyeshadow. This one I'm going according to you my Saree, but you can definitely choose whatever outfit you are going for. Then I went ahead with a darker orangey and gold color mix eyeshadow, and I'm depositing on the outer 3/4 or 1/4 of my eyelid area, as you can see. So first 3/4 I applied the golden color, and then lighter orange gold color, and the outer very little part of my eyes outer corner I applied the brown color eyeshadow. And once again on the lower lash line area also I applied the brown and the orange color eyeshadow, so that it won't look very blank. Then I went ahead with this Inglot gel liner. If you want, you can definitely go ahead with a liquid liner or a marker kind of eyeliner, but definitely gel liner eyeliner looks very intense, and this is one of my favorite. I don't use it regularly, but definitely for parties and all, I definitely suggest go for any gel eyeliner. I think Maybelline has also a good one. So I'm creating a winged eyeliner, that's as this is the party makeup look. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then I went ahead and applied a little bit on my lower lash line area as well. Then applied few coats of mascara and this false eyelashes. For my blush and highlighter, I used this compact powder from MAC. This is more of a corally blush and with a golden highlighter, which go perfectly for this look. And for my lipstick, I use this MAC retro lipstick, and I'm really sorry, I don't know how I lost this clip, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this makeup. And this is the final look. I went ahead and put on my jewelry and a bindi, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this Indian wedding guest makeup look, or a sari makeup look, or a very Indian traditional makeup look, whatever you want to say it. I really hope you like this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to recreate it, and please tag me on my social media like on Instagram or Facebook. I would love to see your recreation. If you have any video suggestion, then please feel free to comment me, and also please like this video if you enjoy, and subscribe to my channel if you are watching me for the first time. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all within brand new video. Bye.